sometimes in your Android phone there will be app drawer and home screen. If app drawer is available, sometimes some app will be there in app drawer, but you cannot see that application in home screen. If you want to add any application to home screen from app drawer, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to add application from your app drawer to home screen. For this, first what we need to do is select the application which you want to add to home screen. For example, I want to add Messenger application. To add this Messenger application to home screen, what you need to do is long press on that application. When you are long pressing, you can see some options. You should not click on that option. What you need to do is, you need to just move this. When you are moving, you will directly reach home screen. After that, you can place this application wherever you want. If you want to move to new page, you can do that. Or if you want to place it in this page only, you can do that also. Anyways, for example, I am placing it here. After that, when you are leaving, you can see that application there. So this way you can easily add any application to your home screen in Android phones. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.